Concrete jungle. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god. Help. Help me. Oh, for a second I thought that was oh my god, I'm shaking. Look at that. Stop. Stop. Look at that. Ah! Oh, I'm gonna be sick. I've been eating popcorn for the last 3 days. Gum has. No. But God damn it! Oh my god, thing. You're gonna do something. I know you are. Ghost! Ghost! Ow. Oh, she's so... Oh, I want to squeeze her. I'm sorry. I tend to get a bit violent when I'm excited. Oh my god, look at... Breathe, breathe. You. I'm fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Her like that. Corky, you. Don't mind me just biting my own hand. Oh yeah, it's cool, yeah. That's the end! Nice! I forgot about it because I'm still traumatized that bodybuilder died. But that wasn't a good one. I can't do it. Can I please cook it? Bald. Friends in need. You're so sweet and cute. And please make it clear. Having no fall as to how I'm in your heart. But I need to stop singing. You know, I'm not even gonna try to guess the name. Let's just see who it is next. Like, hello? Pretty please? Yeah! Yes! Finally! Yes! He kind of reminds me of the Cloud from Trolls. Moving on. Yeah! That was nice. Woo! Name reveal. That's oh, he's so cute though. He's cute. God dang it. You're freaky. Oh, oh, that's so pretty. What is that? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. They're dead. No. Oh, he got rabies. behind you. I'm trying so hard to screech right now, but I can't. Ready? Sugar Hue. Comet. Dragon Scale. Okay, I'm fine. Okay. Let's do this. What is this? Alright, let's get to reading. Oh yeah, it's freezing. It's freezing cold. Oh my god! Go, yo. You're freaking. Egg-shaped doorknob. Oh yeah, I forgot you had. What are you doing? Oh my god! Yo, spin. He's purple again. Why is he purple? Stop turning purple. Oh, it's just bots. The box from the hit show Immanent Insanity is so hot. I didn't say that. Oh, so hot. I didn't say that. Ah! Kissy. Kissy. Comment 1, because I was freaking out too much. My bad. Alright, now let's get to the bonus chapter. Oh, this is supposed to be a big chapter too, so I'm so excited. Oh, so these ladies. He's a little baby. Oh, he's a little baby. He turned purple. Why is he purple? He's purple. Look what you done to him. Oh, he's so. Look at this guy. He's a baby. Oh no. Suspicious. What are you doing? You freaking brick. Oh hey, look, more children. Don't you want to battle to win a prize? But what is the prize? A BFDI. Demon! The demons! There's little birdie thingies. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're freaky son of a B word. You're doing that. Oh no. Please tell me. You piece of. I'm so peeved off. Oh my god.
Worthless, come here, boy.
Hiccup, you can't keep calling him that.
I'm gonna keep calling.